Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous Chanel to show you. So this is a Chanel WOC and it's in this lovely kind of stormy dark grey lambskin leather, which is just beautiful. So we've got flap closure with a pressed stud fasten, which you can see there. And then on the back, we've got that one exterior back flap pocket. And I love how Chanel bags, they all just, you can see the quality of them, how that quilting lines up so beautifully. And we have that classic Chanel leather and chain plaited strap. And then inside, we have got one zipped pocket just here, and that actually goes all the way down along the back of the bag there. So that goes all the way down there. I'll zip that back up. And then we've got 6 card slots at the back here. And then just on the opposite side of that little section there, we've got one flat pocket. Just move this strap out of the way. And then we have got another zipped pocket just here. And then just in front of there, we've got one more flat pocket. And you can see, well, you might be able to see just here, in that little corner of that flat pocket, we've got the date code there. You can't quite see it so well, the angle on the camera, but it begins with 20, which makes this a 2014/2015 Chanel WOC. The condition of this one, we've called the exterior fair. You can see along the edge of this flap closure, you can see there that it's got a bit of wear to it there, and there's a couple of marks here and there. So just here, on this bottom corner, you can see that mark on the leather there, and just a little bit of a mark here too. And along the top, there's just a little bit of wear to those corners and that trim there. And a similar thing on the other side. Actually, those corners are in quite nice condition. They have got a little bit of wear to them, but you can see they've actually kept their shape quite nicely. So they've only got a little bit of wear to them there. So that's why we've called the exterior fair. The hardware we've called good. You can see that it's got a lovely shine to it still, but it's just perhaps a bit duller than it was originally. But actually this pressed stud fasten, you can see in here, still has that lovely gold tone. And it all still works very nice and smoothly as well. So that is why we've called the hardware good. The interior, again, we've called good. There's just a couple of marks. So you can see those couple of scratches just there. And there's just a couple of little marks like that along that flap closure. And then inside, just on this little flap pocket here, hopefully they'll see that just there. There's one little mark there. So that is why we've called the interior good. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got, actually has a Louis Vuitton dust bag to keep it protected in storage. And then we also have Chanel tissue paper, as well as the Chanel authenticity card with the date code matching the code inside the bag. If you would like exact measurements for this WOC, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact Chanel on our website, so ArmcandyBagCo.com. But if it doesn't take you directly to this bag, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you're really hoping for it, if it's one you had in mind, just let us know and we'll pop you on our request list. We've got loads of you on our request list for Chanel, so make sure you get in contact with us. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and we will get you on that request list, and then you can be one of the first to know when we get in some more beautiful Chanel like this one. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So you can pop it with that lovely, that beautiful chain, leather and chain plaited strap. You can pop it on your shoulder like that, or I prefer it as a crossbody. And that chain just sits really beautifully and lightly across your body there. And it's just a lovely little size. If you wanted to pop the strap in as well, so you can open up the bag and then pop that strap inside the bag just like this. So it all just sits nicely in there. And then you have a gorgeous little clutch as well. So it's just beautiful, and I really like this colour. I think it's a lovely kind of stormy dark grey, almost a little bit blue actually. It's really gorgeous. It would be a perfect, all Chanel WOCs, they're just a perfect kind of evening, day to evening bag. You can fit all your essentials inside there. I'll pop that strap out again so you can see. It's just the perfect size and the perfect design. It's such a timeless, classic Chanel design. It is gorgeous, and especially in this colour. So again, if you'd like more details, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website as well, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. If you haven't purchased with us before, you can use that discount code on your first purchase with ArmcandyBagCo. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you have any beautiful pieces like this one that you'd like to sell. All the details about that process are on that page, so have a read through there. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel and hit that alert button so that you don't miss out on any more gorgeous arm candy like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.